So you want to sell luxury real estate? On this video, I'm going to share with you my experience selling homes from 1 million all the way up to 17 million and give you some actionable strategies that you can use right now to become the dominant luxury agent in your area. Let's go. One time when I first got into real estate, I remember I wanted to sell luxury real estate so badly. So I went and I asked a luxury agent, hey, how do you get into luxury real estate? And the luxury real estate agent said, come here, let me let you in on a little secret. Come a little bit closer. And I came a little bit closer. And he said, what you do is hang around with rich people. That's right, you guys. If you hang around with rich people, you're much more likely to start selling luxury real estate. Now, as much of a joke or as facetious as this sounds, it's actually 100% true. And the reason that it's true is that I have a statistic for you that's going to completely blow your mind. But first, I'm curious, why do you want to sell luxury real estate? What excites you? Is it watching $1 million listing on TV? Is it wanting to hang out with high-end homes or something else? Let me know in the comments below. I'm really curious why you want to sell luxury real estate. So the statistic, here it is. You're not going to believe this. Over 70% of people hire the first real estate agent that they meet with. Guys, let me repeat that. Over 70%, 7 out of 10 people hire the first real estate agent that they actually meet with. So what does that mean in practical purposes for you? Here's what it means. You can totally suck as a real estate agent. You can be the worst real estate agent in your market. But if you're the first person to meet with luxury sellers and luxury buyers, they're going to hire you 7 out of 10 times. I mean, is that a crazy statistic or what? When I first heard that, I remember thinking there's no way that that's true. But that data has been completely backed up over and over again. So what is your first goal? If you said be the first person to meet with luxury sellers and luxury buyers, you got it. And how do you do that? So here are some actionable strategies that you can do right now. Again, this is the stuff that I used when I was actively selling real estate to sell homes from 1 million all the way up to $17 million. And I want to tell you, the key is being in front of these people, just like my luxury real estate agent friend said. So here's what you want to do. Whatever market you're in, wherever you are, it doesn't matter. Find the luxury space that you want to be in. So in some markets, if you're in a high-end city like Los Angeles, maybe that means you want to sell $5 million homes and up. Or if you're in Dallas, where I am now, let's say that's $1 million and up. Whatever that is, I want you to start thinking about where are those people? Are they at country clubs? Are they at other clubs and areas? What restaurants do they hang out at? Where are they? Who are they hanging out with? And this can apply both online and offline, because what you want to do is you want to put yourself in front of those people on a consistent basis so that when they're thinking about buying or selling real estate, or they know someone who's thinking about buying and selling real estate, and by the way, luxury high-end people know other luxury high-end people. So if you hang out with them, they're going to refer you to other luxury people. Same goes true in the low end of the market, which, by the way, there's nothing wrong with selling low end or medium end homes. I sold everything when I was selling real estate actively. It didn't matter. But if you focus on the luxury, that's exactly what you will get. So where are those people hanging out, online and offline? Start thinking about it. Who are they hanging out with? Where are they? And get yourself in front of them. So if that means, let's say, for example, and I'll tell you the story that happened to me. When I first got into real estate, I thought, hey, I really want to sell luxury real estate. Where are these people hanging out? And how can I actually marry that with something that I already enjoy doing? And for me, that happened to be golf. I love playing golf. And so what I decided is, hey, I'm going to join the high-end country club that was by my house so that I could hang out with people that have luxury properties. Now, that was quite an investment. At the time, it was a huge stretch because I was an attorney before I started selling real estate. And so I gave up that job. I gave up that 6-figure paycheck. And in real estate, as you know, there is no consistent paycheck. No one's cutting me a check unless I'm selling real estate. And so what I did is I made an investment into that country club, and I started hanging out there every day. I went to lunch there. I had my business meetings there. You know, we went to dinners there as a family. I started playing golf every day, or at least hanging out there, meeting people. knowing everyone. And guess what started happening? I started getting referrals from those people, and I started selling real estate for those people and becoming their real estate broker. And that's how it works. Now, I have a second thing for you on this note. Whoops, hit the mic. Second thing for you on this note. As you know, I'm not editing these videos. We just go straight through. And by the way, guys, here's what I want to ask you for a favor. If you're getting value from these videos, please do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so YouTube pushes this out to more people and everyone can hear all this great advice, because there's more than enough business for everyone in real estate. So we want to push this out to as many people as possible. So I would really appreciate that. All right, so second thing I want you to do is think about who in your market knows people who have luxury real estate. And I'm going to give you the answer on this. I want you to think about all the people in your market that are attorneys. That could be family law attorneys. That could be any kind of really attorneys that have influence, CPAs, business managers, agents, whatever it is, anyone that you know that knows people in the luxury space, that's who you want to get to know. So that part is easy. Just set some meetings with them, give them a call. Hey, here's what I want to do. Here's who I want to talk to, and get to know these people, because then they will start referring you. Now, the key on this, you guys, is that you really want to add value in these meetings. So I have done a video on how to approach these meetings. You can check that out. But really what you want to do when you go there to these meetings, these lunches, these coffees, is you want to add value, and you want to ask them who you can refer to them. You don't just want to go to these meetings asking for stuff, right, and having what I call commission breath. You don't want that. You want to go there, add value, see how you can help those folks, and they will in turn, because of the law of reciprocity, help you out and start referring people to you. So not only are you putting yourself in front of luxury people, but secondly, you are now getting to know people that know luxury folks that can also refer you. And so that really is a double whammy. But don't go anywhere, because now I'm going to tell you the secret sauce. Look, those are great strategies, right? And if you put yourself in front of those folks, then you will eventually get business. Like I said at the beginning of the video, even if you totally stink as a real estate agent, because 7 out of 10 people are just going to hire the first person they meet anyway. But, and here is a big but, this last part is critical to your success as a luxury agent, right? And by the way, before I tell you this part, I actually am curious, what real estate have you already sold? So what level real estate agent are you? Are you just getting started? Are you already selling real estate and just trying to get better, improve your business, grow your business? Or are you a luxury agent already just trying to, get more information and that kind of thing? I'd love to hear from you. So make sure you throw that into the comments below. All right, so the critical third thing that I want to share with you is, in order to be extremely successful in luxury real estate sales, you have to adopt the identity of being a luxury real estate agent. Here's what I mean by that. You can have any identity you want when you step into the role of being a real estate agent. If you talk about luxury real estate, if you think about luxury real estate, if you tour luxury real estate every single day, and you identify as a luxury real estate agent when you're at parties, when you're at social events, when you're at gatherings, that is what you will become. So if you want to be a luxury agent, I don't want you thinking anymore that you sell low-end homes. I don't want you saying that. I don't want you talking about that, right? And here's a myth, and here's something that I know you might be thinking. Well, Danny, if I say that I only sell luxury homes, what about everyone else? They're not going to want to work with me. That is absolutely wrong, you guys, and here's the reason why. Everyone wants to work with the luxury agent. So let's just say hypothetically, and this happened to me all the time, I said when I was in LA, hey, I sell $1 million homes and up. I would have someone come to me and go, oh, you know what, I have a $500,000 condo, like, would you want to work with me? And I said, of course. And we'd provide the same service to that person that we did to the person selling a $10 million home. But when you identify as a luxury agent, everyone wants to work with you, and you attract exactly what you want to attract. And what you focus on really does expand. You know that old adage where they say, hey, let's say you're looking for a new car, and whatever kind of car you want to buy, let's say you want to buy a Jeep Wrangler. That's been on my mind because I used to have one that I loved and I sold it. But anyway, long story short, Jeep Wrangler, that's the car you want to buy. You go to the dealer, you look at one, and when you drive off that lot, I guarantee you, everywhere you go in the city, all you're going to see is Jeep Wranglers. Now look, they were all there before, but the difference is you weren't focused on it. So now get focused on luxury real estate. You are now a luxury real estate agent. Go tour luxury properties. Go find out where the luxury, high-end, high net worth people are in your marketplace. Put yourself in front of them. Go hang out with them. talk to them, because like I said in the beginning, 7 out of 10 of them are going to hire you if you just get in front of them. Now, guys, on this channel, again, my goal is to help you build an amazing business so that you can have freedom in your life and fun. And that happens when you build a business that's predictable, that's profitable, and that's fun. So I want to know, what topics do you want to hear about? Throw those in the comments below. If I use one of your topics, I will mention you in the video. I really appreciate it. And check out this video right over here where I actually tell you how to go about having those meetings that I told you about early in the video so that you get more and more referrals.